Come on in, guys, it's a house tour. Welcome to the house in Melbourne, which has been recently furnished, styled by Design Mile. So if you will have at the video before, the house was absolutely empty. We purchased all the furniture and installed it here nicely, and now I'll just give you a quick tour. In the entry we have a really nice console table styled with books, mirror above it. It's a really good combination for the entry area because on the console table you can drop your bag, you can drop your keys or umbrella, and you can have a final look at yourself before leaving the house to make sure everything is okay. And this mirror is very nice itself. It's like wall art because it's got these details and it's a kind of nice combination of this mirror and console table we can hear. After we approach this way, we have this beautiful art gallery which we created. We took these real photos of a wildlife photographer and we framed them. We made them black and white, scaled them, and installed here, created this reason on the wall. And additionally, we installed these lights on the wall which highlight the art gallery. They battery powered, so you don't need to have wiring for them in the wall, and you can control them with a remote control. Guys, if you like the photos, I'll link photographer Instagram in description, so you could have a better look of his works. Now, when we approach in here, we installed here this beautiful dining table. It's huge, it's got porcelain top, which is very durable, so this top is durable. You can split here wine and nothing will happen really. It will not go inside veins like it can happen with natural stone. And these chairs in olive color are very cute. If you have a look at the table, it's got really nice detailing. It's got these curves here, and it's like itself a piece of art, like a statement point in the house. Here we located this custom-made wall art. We specially made it for this house. We wanted the colors of art and the colors of table to work all together. So if you have a look here, we got grays, browns, same on the table. We got grays and browns pattern. And these olive chairs with these colors is a really good combination. What we've done here, we arranged this sitting area to watch the TV. Here we installed this beautiful sofa. It's not only beautiful, it's very convenient. We were looking for a while for a good sofa. The idea for us to have it with recliners, because we can't have here really bulky sofa, so we found this one which is really low rise, got recliners, and it's very comfortable. When you sit at it, it's just really nice item to be on. And this is a coffee table. It's round. It's got the same details as the chairs here. If you carefully look, this is different brands. So these kind of stripes and curves, they are reflected in this coffee table. So we made a really good research to select this furniture from different brands, as if it's looking from one brand, you know, but it's actually different brands. This is another brand, but see here, these stripes, they also kind of resemble those stripes, and it's got this little curve here, same with the table, nice curved chairs, so you can move really smoothly around the house without hurting yourself. So it's not only aesthetically appealing, it's also very functional and, you know, safe for you. This entertainment unit can be also used as a storage, so you can put a lot of things inside without creating a mess. And yeah, and here we installed this beautiful rug. You know, for this house we went with very calm, minimalistic color scheme. I would say it's timeless to use these colors, and with adding these olive chairs, we made it not boring. You know, if you just go with monochromatic, beige, white, black, it can be boring. But when you add some colors, some browns and greens, it's looking really, really nice within this color scheme. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Let us know in the comments below what do you think about the house transformation. Follow us on Instagram, Studio Design Mile. Follow me, Irina Luta, and I'll see you soon. We'll be happy to style your house, to do interior design for you. Just let us know.